Now we will create a one-time vendor. Click on FK01, then select person, click on continue button, enter our grouping to TOVP and change BP roles to FLVN00. Then click on create, enter our partner, JESFL01. Then change the title, enter first name Jace, enter last name Flowers, enter search term to Jace and Flowers, enter street and house number, Glasgow Road, enter your postal code GL1 1RO, enter city, LS GOW, GLAS GOW road. Then enter country, press enter. Then click on company code, enter your company code and click on company code. Here check BP and supplier is tick, enter reconciliation account, press enter, then click on check button, and then click on enter the external supplier number. Click on save button. JS JESFL01. Click on save button. Click on change, save. It will get saved.